Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I'm currently driving to my sister's house. I'm gonna go pick up my niece KUSHIA. It's her graduation tomorrow, so as tradition, I always take the girls like on any important events to get their nails done or whatever. So I'm gonna go take her to get her nails did. Yes, this is her first time getting her nails done. I'm so excited. This is my mini-me. Like, I can't believe she's graduating. And she's going to high school. And she's gonna get a boyfriend. Oh my god. She's gonna get a boyfriend. Every time I think about it, I go freaking crazy. But anyways, that's what I'm up to right now. So I'm on my way to go and pick her up. And yeah, so I guess once I get her picked up and we're on our way to the nail store, I will holler back at y'all because I do not want to vlog and drive. Oh shoot, this person has a flat. That sucks. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright? Hey guys, so I made it to my sister's. I'm gonna go pick up this Rugrat. Why is the door not? Why is the door? Oh. Hey, ugly. Oh man, that's how you're going on the road with your head. Guys. Hello. So we're about to go and get her nails done for the first time. For the first time, we're about to get her nails done. Maybe her eyebrows too, because you see these things? Yeah, they need to be done. But this is before. In about like 10 years, we'll be back with the after to see how pretty she's gonna look afterwards as well. I mean, she's pretty now, but she's gonna look pretty afterwards as well. So see you guys in a few. She's getting her nails done. Shia, let me see the other hand. What? And we're leaving them that long, literally. How you gonna wipe your ass? Advertising. I can't believe she's growing up and getting her nails done. Next thing you know, I'm like, oh god, she's gonna want to go on a date. Stop. She's gonna start like going out more by herself, like for real by herself. For real by herself. I'm gonna come to her house and she's never going to be home. No, you're never gonna be home. And when she gets a cell phone, oh my god, she's gonna be over. There, guys, there she is. Eyebrows done. Nails on fleek. Oh, what? What? Sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so let's try that again. KUSHIA, are you excited? Graduation's tomorrow. Yeah. Hello? Oh, never mind. The door is open. Why is the door open like that? Huh? Operation is starting, people.
I can't even tell if the thing is on her face or not.
Yeah, you can.
Tell?
It looks browner. Big sister is doing the makeup. Tina, say hey. Say do it for the vlog.
No.
Say do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Hey! Rainer, say do it for the vlog. Hey! You said graduation today. Say do it for the vlog. Say do it for the vlog.
Go away.
Say do it for the vlog. Do it. So we're doing it for the vlog. Yes, we're doing it for the vlog. We're getting my niece ready for her graduation. I'm so excited. Can you hurry up, like, so I can do my job and put on my clothes?
I have to make sure it's even.
Gosh, even schmeven. We should do contour. Why can't we contour her face? KUSHIA, you don't want like a thin nose?
No, she's black.
And?
She doesn't need a thin nose. She's black.
So black people can't have thin nose. Oh, my nose dear.
It's very rare.
No, it's not. Michael Jackson has it. Janet Jackson has it.
fixed
All
his
of the
nose.
all of the Braxtons have it.
Thin noses?
You actually look cute just like that. Just like that. Like her skin looks so much clearer. Seriously, your skin looks so much clearer.
It's the corrector. It's the corrector.
Oh, it corrected everything.
You see the under eyes?
Check.
Oh, I have to record this? Oh.
What is it? What era? What are we doing?
Yeah, I brought mascara.
What are you gonna run when you
Are you gonna give her a winged eye?
A what?
A winged eye?
What?
A winged eye?
Oh, like what me did try to do for you? The cat eye?
Yeah.
No,
Like a thin one.
Do them someday. You understand?
Okay, sorry, KUSHIA.
We're gonna keep it simple and sweet. You understand? It's only grade 8 you graduate from. We
Tell
have to
her,
graduate from
please.
high school, then you can't get all of them extracurricular activities and all these things. You understand? As of right now, what are we doing eyeshadow wise? Silver?
You want silver?
Hey guys, so
That's real close. Hold on.
I'm MUA today. No. Subscribe to my channel, Zoisha Makeup Artist. I'm just joking. It's just Zoisha, just the one channel.
The camera makes you look really like tan.
Me? But
Yeah.
I am tan.
No, but like tanner.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm tan.
Look in the camera, child.
I am so tan. Hi, Shia. Say do it for the vlog. Oh, we're off to. Okay, but you never said it now. You guys look. She's all your bag. There's the graduate, you guys. She's on her way. This is it, KUSHIA.
Wait, tomorrow you're home?
Yes, Titty. Ask me that 3 seconds ago.
Are we gonna buy
Wait, for real. Okay, so yeah, we're headed off to the hall where the graduation is gonna be held. So yeah, when we get there, there'll be more excitement. Hopefully, all her friends are in clothes. You know.
Right? So Shelly's next door. Can we go?
Hey guys, so we're at KUSHIA's grad.
I hope you can see me because I'm dark.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I can see you. So anyways, yeah, we're at KUSHIA's grad now. She's gone. She's putting on her cap and her gown and everything. It's so sad. Like, it's so sad, but we're her. And you know, things gonna start soon and all these things. Look at all these people. Yes, the thing's not tall, so it's hill. And everybody I look for me because I have a selfie stick. I mean, I talk to myself and all these things, but I don't care. You understand? What?
5:37.
Oh, so we're only 7 minutes behind. So, yeah, hopefully this starts soon because there's 77 graduates. I'm hungry. I mean, we're right beside the Swiss Chalet, but I'm hungry. You know? You understand? Yeah, you guys follow her YouTube channel.
Go to Chalet.
No, thank you. I don't want no sushi. I don't want no rotisserie chicken. Who wants chicken that turns? To be cooked. Anybody got time for that?
You should have time for that.
I'd rather go to like Popeyes. Yeah. I'd rather go to like some Popeyes, get like a mini Del and stuff. But yeah, that's currently
like
what
their shirt.
we're doing right now. That's what we're doing right now. We're waiting for them to graduate. Class of 2015. I'm so excited for her. She looks like a grown-ass woman too. Like, it's so crazy. Like, she looks older than me. But anyhow, hopefully I can catch some footage. But I really don't know. I mean, cameras of course would be allowed. Do you have to like? No, then we wouldn't be able to see anybody.
But they might have like a slideshow of like the year.
I hope there's no slideshows. Yeah, our thing turn up tall and tall and tall and tall, subtle and tall. And all these things, you understand? But I should have Shia rain. Did they spell it right?
Yeah.
I'll hit you guys back up later when the ceremony or what is it called? The mass, whatever it is that starts. I don't know. There's somebody behind there pulling some light or maybe no light. Maybe somebody just walk up into the lights and it's something. But hopefully this starts soon. I'm hungry. I'm at work. I'm on it. I'm a walk down. You understand? I love you, Shia. Congratulations, Luca. I love you so much. You made me so proud. Proud auntie moments. Aren't you proud of your sister?
Yeah, I guess.
She's proud of you too, girl. Oh yeah, you guys follow her YouTube channel. What is it?
It's T.H. Walker.
No, seriously, what is it?
It's BeautyUnsure.
Is it really?
Yeah.
BeautyUnsure. Just BeautyUnsure.
Spelled the same way.
No underscore. No spaces.
Simple.
No spaces.
No spaces. All together.
Oh, BeautyUnsure, one word. Follow her, you guys. She's amazing. Even though she only has one video right now. Follow her. Probably by the time I put this up, she'll have more. Yes. Okay. Woo! Go Shia! Go Shia! Oh yes, KUSHIA! Isn't that the whole point? She's supposed to be embarrassed. It's graduation. Woo! Go Junior! Woo! Hey, good congratulations! Congrats!
Please stand for Canada.
Hey! And them type of rings and them other school now? That's so sweet. Canada, our home and native land. You don't know the national anthem? In all thy sons' command, with glowing hearts we see rise the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God, keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Remix. Pull up the tune. She made it. She graduated. She didn't drop. That's all I was worried about today. Oh, you mean them after pronounce our name? Oh, they're all blurry. Yeah. Yeah, but me catch it, you know, me think tall. Sorry.
And the recipients are Shia Walker.
You go, KUSHIA. Yes, girl, you get that honor roll, baby. You get that. Yes. That's a me. Oh, God, she can't walk. Go, Shia!
What you say, I'm okay. What you say.